Hi yogis, and welcome to my travel yoga class for beginners. If you're traveling, you might not have your yoga mat or a yoga studio around, so this class is specifically designed to stretch and strengthen your whole body without a mat or props. So let's get started. Stand up tall with your feet hip width apart. Connect the hand palms in front of your heart space and close your eyes for a second. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose, deep breath out through the nose. Feel free to set your intention. Namaste. With our feet hip width apart, hands on the hips, start to take a deep breath in and raise your left arm up towards the sky. As you exhale, dive to the right side. Keep your core nice and strong. Keep your chest open and ground through your feet. Keep breathing. Come back on an inhale. Exhale, left hand on your hip, other side. Inhale, raise the right arm up towards the sky. Lengthen the spine as you exhale, dive to your left side. Feel that side body stretch. Keep that core nice and strong. Keep your heart open. Keep breathing. Coming back on an inhale. Very nice. Now inhale, raise both arms up towards the sky, hand palms to touch, and then fold forward all the way down. Keep your knees soft and hinge from the hips. Let your head hang, and feel free to grab the opposite elbow. And if you want, you can sway gently from side to side. Keep your eyes open, keep breathing. Keep your knees soft. If this feels good, feel free to stay here. If you want, you can join me for a shoulder stretch variation by interlacing your hands behind your lower back, and as you exhale, very slowly, gently, bring them forward towards the ground. Keep breathing, keep the eyes open. Very nice. Next, I'll add a twist variation in this pose. So keep your hands interlaced right where they are, but bend your left knee as you exhale, and then turn your upper body towards the right side. Keep that right leg straightened. Keep breathing. Come back on an exhale. And an inhale, other side, bend the right knee, straighten out the left leg, and then slightly open up towards your left side. Yes, you got it. Slowly come back on an inhale. Keep your hands interlaced and then slowly, gently bring them towards your lower back. Then release your hands towards the ground. We're going to do a flow, so follow me. Inhale, lengthen the spine, come up halfway. Hands on the shins or fingertips on the floor. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, circle your arms down, around, and all the way up. Come up all the way with your upper body, and then hands to touch in front of your face, folding down. Inhale, coming up halfway. Exhale, bending forward. Inhale, arms come all the way up, hand palms to touch in front of your face. Soften the knees, fold down. Inhale, lengthen the spine from the crown of the head to your tailbone. Exhale, folding down. Inhale, come up all the way. And exhale, bending forward. Good job. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bending down. Inhale, come up all the way. Nicely done. We're going to do some shoulder rolls. So place your hands on your hips and roll your shoulders from front to back a couple of times. And the other direction. Wonderful. Now let's get ready for some neck stretches. Lengthen out the right arm, and with your left hand, grab the inside of the right elbow. As you exhale, bring the right ear to your right shoulder, as you can see in the picture. Good job. So keep breathing into the left side of your neck. Enjoy the stretch. Slowly release, and let's do the other side. So lengthen out the left arm and grab with your right hand the inside of your left elbow. As you exhale, bring the left ear to your left shoulder, as you can see in the picture. Keep breathing. And of course, relax your jaw. and face. Wonderful, and slowly come back on an inhale. Release your hands. Then place your hands on your hips and let's get ready to do a little bit of strengthening. So step your left foot to the back with your left heel raised. The right knee is in line with the right ankle. Firm your core, lengthen the spine. On an inhale, we're going to raise the arms up towards the sky. Hold and breathe. Hold your balance. On your next exhale, cactus arms. So there's a 90-degree angle by the elbows and under your armpits. Breathe, open your heart. Inhale, arms back up, and as you exhale, twist towards your right side. Keep breathing. Hold your balance. You're doing great. Lower the right arm down and lift the left arm up towards the sky and go for a slight back bend. Hold and breathe. Turn your upper body back to center. Inhale, raise the right arm up. Both arms are up. And exhale, placing the hands on your hips, stepping the left foot forward, big toes touching, slight little space in between the heels. Now sit back, bending the knees, lengthen the spine as if you're going to sit on a chair that's not there. Keep the arms above the head, palms touching, and then fold forward, soften the knees. Inhale, lengthen the spine, come up halfway, and exhale, fold down again. Inhale, circle your arms down, around, and up. And exhale, placing the hands on the hips, get ready for the other side. Step the right foot to the back with the right heel lifted, bending the left knee. Make sure that the left knee is in line with your left ankle. Firm your abs, lengthen the spine. Good job. Inhale, raise the arms up. Keep grounding your feet and at the same time, lift your spine and arms up towards the sky. And as you exhale, open into cactus arms. Remember, 90-degree angle at the elbow and under the armpits. Open your heart, open your chest. Keep your core nice and strong. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, twist to your left side. Open the arms horizontal with the earth. Start lowering the left arm. Raise the right arm up and go for that slight back bend. Keep breathing. And then turn your torso back to center. Inhale, lift the left arm back up. And then placing the hands on your hips on an exhale, step the right foot forward. Big toes touching, bending the knees, lengthen the spine, arms above the head, chair pose. Inhale, straighten out the legs and fold forward, fold down. Good job. We're hinging from the hips and make sure to relax your neck. Now inhale, lengthen the spine, coming up halfway. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, circle your arms down around and with a straight back, come all the way up. Hand palms are touching in front of your heart. Then place your hands on your hips and feel free to shake out your legs. Our next pose is a nice overall body stretch. So we're going to step the right foot out with the right foot and your upper body facing towards the screen. The left foot is facing the left side, raising the arms up horizontal with the floor. And then reach your left arm forward, bump your right hip back, and placing the left hand on the upper leg, lower leg, or the floor, and the right hand up towards the sky or on your hip. And breathe. Also, make sure that you're not hyperextending your left knee, your left leg, so microbend your left knee. And then slowly inhale, come up, dropping the right arm down, lifting the left arm up, and go a little bit further for a side bend. Keep breathing. Good job. And then slowly come back, release the pose, placing the hands on your hips, turning your feet parallel, and you can even slightly pigeon toe. Now you can raise your arms horizontal with the floor and take a nice wide stance with the feet under their wrists, more or less. As you exhale, placing the hands on the hips and a straight back fold forward, you can place your fingertips on the floor. Slightly bend the knees. Let your head hang, relax the neck. Keep your fingertips on the floor. On the inhale, come up halfway, lengthen the spine. Now we're going to add a twist. So place your left hand on the midline underneath your face And as you exhale, open the right arm up towards the sky for a twist. Keep your hips even with the floor. Exhale, release, and then put your hand where your left hand was. Inhale, lift the left arm up towards the sky. Breathe. Again, keeping the hips parallel with the ground. Releasing on the exhale, placing the hands under the shoulders, fingertips on the floor. And as you exhale, fold forward. Hands go on the hips. Keep your back straight. Soften the knees, and then come up all the way. Get ready for the other side, so adjust your stance. Now your left foot and your upper body is facing towards the screen. The right foot is facing towards the right wall. Lift your arms horizontal with the floor, then reach your right arm forward. Bump your left hip towards the back and place your right hand on your upper leg, lower leg, foot, or the floor. Left hand can be up in the sky or on your hip. Also, you can look up or down, whichever one you prefer. Keep breathing. You're doing great. Inhale, slowly come back. And we'll reverse it. So drop the left arm down, raising the right arm up, and go for a slight side bend. So go a little bit further with your right arm. And then come back. Hands on your hips. Stay in a wide stance. Turn your toes out and your heels in so that your feet are about at a 45-degree angle. Then bend your knees in the same direction as your toes and lower the hips down towards the height of your knees. Hold the pose and breathe. Start placing your hands on your knees with your thumbs facing forward. Keep the length in the spine and bring your right shoulder towards your left knee for a nice shoulder stretch. And then switch sides. Left shoulder goes towards the right knee. Keep breathing. And do a few more. Follow your own pace. Great. And then slowly come back, straighten out the legs, hands on the hips, bending the knees and step the right foot forward. The feet are hip width apart. Inhale. Lift your arms up towards the sky, lengthen the spine, and now keep reaching up as if you're trying to touch the ceiling or trying to pick apples from a tree. You can also interlace your hands with your hand palms facing up, stretch yourself out. And then open up in cactus arms, open your chest. Inhale, arms back up, and exhale, fold forward. Come all the way down. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Nice little flow. And exhale, folding forward again. Inhale, come all the way up, bring your arms up. And exhale, hand palms in front of your heart. We'll finish class with a hip opener. It's a squat pose, yogi squat. So widen the stance as much as you need to, bend at the knees, lower your seat down. And you can place your hand palms to touch in front of your heart with your elbows slightly pressing against your knees. Hold it here. Or deepen the pose and place your left fingertips on the floor and then open the right arm up towards the sky. Slowly release, placing the right hand on the floor, and then lift your left arm up towards the sky and breathe. Release on the exhale. Placing the hands on the hips and straightening out the legs, putting your feet together hip width apart. Deep breath in, raising the arms up towards the sky. On the exhale, arms going down. And again, inhale, lifting the arms up. Hand palms to touch now, in front of your face, in front of your heart. Close your eyes for a second. Remember your intention. Feel gratitude for doing your yoga practice. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.